Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how I took this particular British pound trade. This was probably on Thursday. Yeah. So what I see in this chart is there is a support level here, and this particular chart I went to 1 minute time frame on that day, and I'll show you how I get to sort this particular high and to the peep, I would say. So what happened was market was in here this particular moment, and I was watching the price action. So what actually happened after here, I'll tell you. This particular kink in here, this particular kink is very important for us because this is a support level in the past which got broken, and after this particular kink we have got a lower time frame low which is an engulf but not the target. How you can be sure of this is like you have to analyze the higher time frame chart and see if this is a real fake out or not. Every time we try to take a trade, we have to be sure. Like if this is the seller's target, then like if this level is the low of the market, this should be seller's target, and after that there should be some kind of target that should be met. But here in this particular case, the initial target was not this target. Initial target I saw was in this particular lower level, but this was eventually broken after. I haven't analyzed anything after that. But the thing is, this particular low, I was not like this was not the low. This was not the real fake out. So what market did was actually it broke the lower scale flag limit. It broke the lower scale flag limit in here. There is a small engulf in there. You can see, and this means price wants to go up from here this side, and you can see there is a origin in here. This particular zone is the origin. What price did after breaking the lower scale flag limit was get back to the origin of the TP. So there are no orders in there in until here. Orders are consumed from this level, I would say. And now what happened is price has taken another origin from this side or FL. This is origin flag limit. So after this, what price did was price took MPL from this particular leg, and then price made a liquidity over here at this point. The target was in here. Why? Because in this particular zone, you can see there is a small order here which made this high, this lower time frame high. This particular red zone hold the price and made a FTR in here and made what? The lower time frame high. And if this is the order we are looking, this particular whole zone in here is the swap of that order, meaning this has order initially. So what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to the if this is the order, the swap of the this zone, this particular zone, this has order in it. So you can initially sort the high of this one, like like this one, where you can actually see where the order is in here. All right. So this particular high was sorted here in here to the downside. My original intention was to short until this particular zone, but then I'm a day trader, I can't hold all the time, and I need to take profit as well. So what happened was, after price took MPL from here, price made a liquidity point over here. So the retailers were selling in this area, but the target was in upside. Now what price did was, price engulfed this particular. All right, I'll tell you the price action from here. From here, what happened? I'll tell you. This kink in here, price price engulfed this order. Price came back up to here. Now, when price engulfed this zone, there is a target somewhere around here. There is already a target around here. So what I was actually looking was this particular zone from here. This is one of the important zone. This is the swap of this particular zone, and I'm sorry for that. This kink in here, this small kink in here, was the target for this engulf. And what price did was, price came to the target, price retraced back but couldn't go higher, and price engulfed this zone. But when we look to the flag limit, we want the engulf of the flag limit. And when price engulfs this flag limit, there is a FOF open for this side. But in this particular scale, price did not retrace back. And what price did was, price went to the origin of this particular move and consumed all the orders in this zone. All the orders in this zone. And initially my bias was to sort around here. Now when price consumed all the orders in here, there is only one order left in this whole zone, meaning this particular zone was the perfect place to trade for me. All right. So there could be another scenario as well, like after price engulf this particular zone, after price engulf this particular zone, there is already a target set in here, this particular zone, this particular origin. It engulfed this particular origin as well, but price didn't retrace back to get the free order flow of this particular zone. Now, what price did was, price actually came back to the origin of the move, and then went to take all these orders from this particular zone. And what I did was, I took profit in the lows. So that is how I got this trade. I'm sorry if you didn't get my points. I don't know how to annotate the charts well, but like, this is how it works. This is how it works. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.